everyone. In today's video, we are uncovering the power of accessibility in UX design. Creating an inclusive digital experience is not just a trend, it's a necessity. Did you know over 15% of the world's population has some form of disabilities? Are your designs reaching them? Let's talk about what is accessibility and its importance, how accessibility in design can make or break a user's experience. Let's start with a quick overview. Accessibility in user experience refers to designing digital platforms that are usable by everyone regardless of their abilities. When someone has a hearing impairment, visual impairment or cognitive disabilities, accessibility ensures that they have a seamless experience. Let's talk about the accessibility features of elevators. When you design the navigation buttons on an elevator, you might think about the numbers, icons and their placement. But what about someone who can't see the buttons? For visually impaired people, standard buttons doesn't make sense. That's where Braille comes in. Braille provides tactile information, allowing someone who is blind or has low vision to understand which button corresponds to which floor. Wait, I know what you're thinking. As a digital UX designer, why should I care about this? But yes, you have to, because the principle remains the same for both physical and digital products. Okay, for your understanding, let's see accessibility in a digital product. YouTube. Auto captioning on YouTube is one of the most powerful accessibility features. YouTube can use speech recognition technology to automatically create captions for your videos. But why does this matter? Auto captioning ensures that people who are deaf or hard of hearing can still engage with the content. It not only aids disabled people, but it also helps people who are in noisy environments or people who prefer reading text over listening. And finally, that's a wrap on today's video. If you're passionate about accessibility and UX design, keep designing for everyone from everywhere. Thanks for watching. See you.